What's the meaning of Charles Ives? Charles Ives. Charles Ives.
Charles Ives. Charles Ives. Charles Ives was an American composer who lived from 1874 to 1954. He is known for his pioneering works in the field of modern classical music, including his use of unusual compositional techniques such as polytonality and spatiality. Ives' music often incorporates elements of American folk songs and hymns. He was also a successful insurance executive, and his musical career was mostly a hobby. Despite this, his music has had a lasting impact, and he is considered one of the most important American composers of the 20th century.